Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be doing our audio setup. We're going to be talking about what microphones work best in which situations, so in case you need to get a mic, you know which product to buy. But we're going to start with some fundamentals about audio that you need to know. First, let's talk about where you record your audio because your location matters. So if you're in a big empty room, then your audio is going to sound bad. It's going to sound really echoey and it's going to be difficult to understand. But if you are in a small space with all these soft surfaces nearby, then your audio is going to sound really good. That's because sound acts like a ping pong ball. So if you throw a sound against a hard surface, it's going to bounce back at you, which is why you get echo. But if you throw a sound at a soft surface, then it's going to get absorbed. Now, I'm assuming that you don't want to have to film all of your audio under a table full of blankets, but you could at least come to a room that has more stuff in it, especially soft stuff, like some comfy chairs or a couch or a bed. So just to remind you, this is what the audio sounded like in an empty room, and here's what it sounds like in a room with all this stuff in it. If you do have to work with a less than ideal space, you can bring some soft surfaces into it. So you could put a fuzzy rug or a blanket on the floor, or you could just hang some blankets like we've done here. We just put them on some clothing racks that we got from IKEA. Moving blankets also work really well to cut down some of that echo. So here's what the audio sounded like before, and this is what it sounds like after we brought a few soft things in. It's also a good idea to shut the windows, silence your phone, and turn off any background noise that you don't want. Some people also like to cut off the AC, but I don't think that's always worth looking like a sweaty mess. Alright, next let's talk about what is probably the most important role when it comes to audio, which is the closer the microphone is to the audio source, the better it will sound. So if I record audio right beside this microphone, it's gonna sound really nice. Welcome to my ASMR channel. But if I record audio in that mic all the way back here, it's going to sound like trash. What that means is that if you don't have another microphone that you're talking into, like if the only mic you're using is the one that's in your phone or in your camera, I want you to be close enough that you can reach out and touch that camera to get good audio. By the way, while I've got this phone in my hand and we're talking about audio, I just want to let you know that the mics in your phone are surprisingly good. If you think about it, engineers have spent years perfecting microphones to make sure we can hear each other clearly even when we're on speakerphone. And so if you just need to record a voiceover for a video, you can definitely use your phone. Just make sure you're not rubbing all over the microphones or anything like that, but it will do a great job.